delight to be with you here this morning in this beautiful, beautiful environment. Thank you so much, Bryant Park, and thank you, Georgette, for demoing. At the end of practice, we say namaste, and my teacher translates it to mean that which is sacred within me salutes that which is sacred within you. I salute you in your efforts. Many blessings, my friends. Namaste. Thanks, y'all. You were great. You were great. My colleague Dana Slamp is teaching tomorrow night. If you're able, we're part of a yoga therapy faculty. We both teach yoga therapy and practice yoga therapy, and so come back for her. She's wonderful. If you have any question at all, please feel free to ask. I would be delighted to speak with you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go forth in beauty. Oh, Georgette says to remind you that my name is Erica Mather. Thanks, buddy.